inputs from a camera, laser or radar-based system to monitor the distance from the vehicle ahead. The car will then automatically adjust its cruising speed or even brake as the vehicle in front slows down, always maintaining a safe distance. Technology will apply a full braking force when it detects an unavoidable and imminent collision, thereby maximizing braking force as well as compensating for any delay in reaction by the driver. And at MG, we emphasize on using the best of intuitive electronic aids for optimum safety of the occupants. That alerts you if its sensors detect that you're straying from your lane. The system relies on multiple inputs from cameras and lasers to detect lane markings and ascertain the car's position in the lane. Slight deviations are accepted, but moving too close to the lane guide will trigger a warning for the driver. Uses sensors and cameras placed all around the car to gauge a suitably sized space to park the car and detect objects that might cause a fender bender. The on-board computer then automatically steers the car into the vacant parking space, requiring only braking inputs from the driver. The automatic parking assistance system is one of the many advanced driving assistance features found in the all-new MG Gloster.